Lock screen. Big clock on Samsung One UI. Custom, any color. Open internet browser. Search Samsung One UI lock screen font GitHub. Download release. Open My Files. Extract downloaded file. Install Oppo Big Clock file only. Custom lock screen after installed. Three dot. Lock screen Oppo Big Clock font. Move and scale. Custom color follow wallpaper. Thanks for watching video.